Hello, welcome to APG Studio, and today special session for pregnant women, pregnancy yoga right now. Now on your knees, you got left leg front of you. So I'll show you from the side. I'm going to move your hips front and back. For more space, move your left out, so you're not squeezing your baby. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Also moving forward and down, squeeze your glutes, your back leg, your right side. Inhale. And exhale. Great stretch for your legs, hips, lower back. Inhale and exhale. And two more times. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, now change your leg. Your left knee. Inhale. Exhale. So now squeezing glutes. Your left. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Okay, now on your four, with your left leg straight, foot on the floor, I'm going to rock your body front and back to strengthen your wrist, shoulders, chest, but also to stretch your left leg, mostly your calf and part of your hamstring behind your knee. Watch your head position, so you're not dropping too low. And you try to keep your abdominal muscles active. And one more. Okay, change your leg. Now stretching right leg. And last one. Again on your knees, left leg forward, left hand on your leg, right arm up. Inhale, as you exhale, slightly trying to bend to your right side. Squeeze your glutes in your right for good balance. Inhale and exhale again. If you need more space, move your leg more to your left side. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, now right leg to the front and left arm up. Inhale. Exhale. Controlling buttocks muscles on your left side now. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. And relax. Again, on your 4. This time, left leg off the floor, just off the ground, not too high. And as you exhale, bend your knee and swing forward. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Okay, now right leg. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend your knee. Swing to the front. And one more time. And relax. Okay, I'm going to sit with your right leg front of you. Knee is bent. Show you from this direction. So knee is bent, foot is flexed. Still stretching your calf and your hamstring. Hands to your side. And now your left arm. Inhale. As you exhale to your right. Try to relax your right shoulder. Bend your right elbow. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Okay, now you're right. Inhale and exhale. And last one. And relax. Okay, now I'm going to move your leg to your right side more. Still knees bent. Inhale. As you exhale, slightly try to lean forward, keeping your chest high, just a little bit, okay? To stretch your lower back, hips, and your glutes. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, now right is bent, left front of you, but knee up, toes as well. First the upright. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now your right to your left, relax your left shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Okay, move your leg to your left side, but knee is still bent, and you're trying to lean forward. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Okay, if you cross legs. Arms front of you, bend your elbows. Now an inhale, pulling elbows, squeezing shoulder blades. Slowly exhale, hands, forearms together. So you're stretching your chest and your upper back. Inhale and slowly exhale. And one more. And relax. Lift your shoulders. Very slowly relax. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now right leg front of you. Arms behind. So you're trying to press your fingertips to the floor. Inhale, bend your elbows. As you exhale, push your chest forward. Inhale, moving back. Slowly exhale, squeezing your shoulder blades. Inhale and slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Place your fingers, palms forward. Imagine you're pushing something away front of you to stretch your upper back. Inhale, lift your arms and slowly just relax, shake it. Okay, now on your floor again. With your left leg straight to your side. And you're going to lift your left arm. Inhale. As you exhale, slightly, not too much, twist your right side. Inhale. And slowly exhale. So you don't want that much rotation, just a little bit to work with your lower back. Perfect. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Okay. Now right leg straight to your side. And left arm. Inhale. And slowly exhale. back to center, and again left leg. But this time, lift your chest. And now, right hand in your hip area, left up, inhale, slowly exhale, trying to bend to your right side, build the strength in your core, lower back. Inhale, and slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Just one more. And relax. Okay, now right leg and right arm up. Inhale, slowly exhale to your left. Inhale and slowly exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, slowly stand up. Legs as wide as is comfortable for you. Hands and hips, and we're trying to bend forward now. Stretching back of your legs, lower back. Inhale and slowly exhale. Try to pull your shoulders back, point your elbows up to the ceiling. Inhale and slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, now right arm. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Try to reach up to the ceiling of your arm. Inhale and slowly exhale. And now your left. Inhale and exhale. Okay, slowly, feet together, shake it, your arms, your hands, lift your arms, deep inhale, and slowly exhale. One more. Relax your shoulders. Okay. All right, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe, turn on notification bell, never miss any videos from my channel. So thank you for watching me today, and see you next time. Bye.